Are you a busy dad or a busy professional who understands the importance of fitness but hasn't made a priority in your life just because you can't find the time for it? If so, watch this video. I'm going to talk about why it's so important to make time for your fitness and why it's going to help you be better at what you're doing as a dad and as a professional. Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of making time for your fitness and how it's going to help you be better at all the other things that you do in your life. Before I get started, I do want to say that I understand that it's challenging for busy guys, especially dads and professionals who are spending, 50, 60 hours a week at their jobs, not to mention, taking care of their kids and managing their relationship with their wife or their husband. And it's really challenging to make time for other stuff when you have all those things already going on. But the reason why it's so important is because making time for your fitness is actually going to help you be better at all of those other things that you do. It's going to help you have more patience. It's going to help you be more efficient at work, help you be more creative, better focus. It's going to help you sleep better. So it's this thing that if you can make time for it, I know it seems difficult at first, but if you can make the time for it, it's going to help you in all of those aspects. So I work primarily with guys who are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. I'm not working with guys who are, for the most part, I'm not working with the guys who have just graduated high school or just graduated college. These are guys who are already busy, who understand that fitness is important, who would like to make fitness a priority in their lives, but just don't seem to have the time. And so my advice for you is, again, if you can make time for this stuff, if you can make time for just 15 or 20 minutes a day, you are going to be better at all of the other things that you do. Again, have more patience, having more concentration for work, being able to be more understanding, to sleep better. And it's this cycle that you can get into. If you can just start doing the workouts on a consistent basis, you're going to notice that everything else is starting to get better as well. And I know it's tough to start at first. So my advice for that is to pick a time when you don't have a lot of stuff going on. We all know that we're not super productive all day, right? There are times when we don't have as much focus. There are times that our kids are in bed or that we have some time to ourselves in the mornings. And these are the times that you want to focus on. If you can start small with just 10 or 15 minutes a day, doing something on a regular basis, doing the exercises that you need to do to feel good and feel energized throughout the day, to avoid back pain when you're sitting in your chair, to feel energized when you make it to that afternoon slump, and to help sleep better at night. If you can make time for it, find it, do it, I can promise you that you're going to feel a lot better as a result. So again, most of the people that I work with personally go through this. It's not something that is impossible to deal with. It's something that so many guys are managing, but it does take that initial plunge. You got to do it. You got to start somewhere. And just 10 minutes a day is plenty. So I encourage you to get started with something like this. If you need access to a program, I have all this stuff on my website at manfulyoga.com. If not, you can use YouTube. You can find some resources. It's not too hard to do. So guys, I hope this video was useful. If you have any comments about the challenges involved in making time for yourself, and maybe you do understand that making time for your fitness is going to help with all these other aspects of your life, but you still haven't taken the plunge, talk about it in the comments below and help me understand. Again, we do work with a ton of people who go through this already, but I'd love to hear from you personally. That's also going to help me make better content for this channel and what we do with the website and all the other things we do. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I look forward to seeing you on future videos.